Hi there, and welcome to Fluent English Story Vault. Get ready to listen closely. Repeat with confidence. Focus on every word. One day, you'll speak English fluently. Let's get started. Hello, my name is Lucía. I am from Spain. 1 year ago, I moved to the United States to study at a university. It was my first time living alone, far from my family and friends. Everything was new. New city, new people, and a new language. Before I came here, I studied English in school. I thought I could speak well, but when I arrived, I felt shy. People spoke fast. I didn't understand everything. Sometimes, I didn't know how to answer. I felt a little scared. The first weeks in the United States were very quiet. I lived in a small room in the university dorm. I went to class, then came back and stayed in my room. No one talked to me much. I missed home. I missed speaking Spanish. One afternoon, I went to the university library. I needed to find a book for class. I looked at the shelf, and suddenly, one book fell. I tried to pick it up, but someone was faster. A girl smiled and said, "Here you go. I like this book." I smiled back. "Thank you," I said. "I'm new here. My name is Lucía." She said, "Nice to meet you. I'm Natalie." She had a friendly voice and bright eyes. We started talking. I told her I was from Spain. She said she was born in the United States, and English was her first language. Then she said, "If you ever need help, just ask me." I know it's hard at first. That moment made me feel happy. It was the first time someone talked to me and made me feel good. A few days later, I saw Natalie again at the cafe near campus. She waved and invited me to sit with her. We talked more about books, classes, and food. I told her I loved cooking Spanish food. She laughed and said she loved trying new things. After a while, Natalie said, "You are so sweet. I mean, not like candy." We both laughed. I understood that she was welcoming me and trying to show me that she was happy to have a new friend. Slowly, we became good friends. She helped me with my English. Sometimes, I didn't know the word for something, and she explained it kindly. One day, I asked her, "Do you want to learn some Spanish?" She said, "Yes, I would love that." So, we made a plan. We met twice a week, one day for English, one day for Spanish. It was fun. We made mistakes, we laughed, and we learned. Now, 1 year later, Natalie is still my best friend. We go to class together, cook together, and even watch movies together. Sometimes in English, sometimes in Spanish. What I learned is this: you don't need perfect English to make a friend. You just need one small moment. One smile. One hello. And from that, something beautiful can grow.